Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for February 16 to 29, 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And you can also check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Scorpio mid-February, second half. Okay, you have the 10th house of career. You have Uranus and Aquarius. Wow, Uranus and Aquarius. So, merong biglaang change, no? Pagdating sa iyong career, pwedeng magbabago ka ng trabaho, magbabago ka ng business. Pwedeng meron ka lang threshold na tipong hanggang dito ka lang magtitiis, pero kapag nakita mo na hindi mo na kayang tiisin itong work na to, itong career na to, then you are going to change something sa career. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ganon, napuno na kayo and now you are really changing something. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, this is about being your own boss, na pwedeng nasa corporate world ka or you are working for other people and then na-realize mo na meron kang gusto pang i-pursue sa buhay mo na kung saan nandun yung interest mo, no? Yung iba sa inyo interesado sa social media, sa content creation or sa technology. Ayan, so you are bringing change in your life. Let's see what else. Moon message for Scorpio. A time to give rather than take. Ayan. So ito raw ay pagtulong, no? Pag-give way sa ibang tao. Maaring meron kang babawi ka sa isang tao na laging merong binibigay na pabor sa'yo or laging tumutulong sa'yo, nakasuporta sa'yo. So, ngayon, ikaw naman yung babawi sa kanya. Be proud of yourself. Yes. So, ngayon, meron kang mga achievements, no, sa career mo. Pwede namang achievements, hindi lang sa career. Anything na goal na sinet mo na natupad mo, no? And you're going to be proud of yourself. Yung mga efforts na ibinigay mo sa isang tao, sa isang relasyon, sa isang career, you are being celebrated. Uy, may new romantic cycle. New Moon in Libra. So, some of you, maaring mag-enter kayo sa isang relationship. A new relationship is about to start. I think, yung iba sa inyo matagal nang walang relationship. Tapos, na-realize nyo na it's time to experiment pagdating sa relationship na sumubok rin naman. Let's see your overall energy for second half ng Feb. You have the Knight of Swords. You may be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have the Justice card, Balance. I don't know, meron ako nakikitang energy rito na pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict, misunderstanding sa trabaho or someone na may authority sa'yo. You have the Two of Pentacles. Yung iba, pwedeng marami sa inyong pinagagawa or maraming responsibilities na you feel like hindi na siya makatarungan. Oo, so ngayon, kayo ay ang tawag doon, papalag. Oo. Kumbaga, pwedeng magrereklamo ka na or i-erase mo yung concern mo. Hindi ka na lang laging yes, yes, yes. So, ngayon, you will ask questions. Bakit? Bakit ganito kadami yung trabahong binibigay? You also have the Seven of Pentacles. Meron kang mga pinag-iipunan ngayon, no? Pwedeng may mga plans ka of starting your own business, yung parang mag-invest ka sa isang real estate or any investment. Kaya lang may times na parang feeling mo laging kulang. Oo, hindi mo siya totally na-achieve. Kaya siguro dumating na dun sa point na gusto mong baguhin yung situation mo in terms of earning money, no? Yung paraan ng pagkita mo ng pera, gusto mong baguhin kasi parang feeling mo hindi siya sapat sa mga needs mo. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Temperance card. Ayun na nga, healing, guidance, and also bringing balance into your life. Temperance is also patience, having patience. So, pagdating sa career mo, sa trabaho, you are very patient, no? Kumbaga, na-exhaust mo na lahat ng mga kailangan mong gawin or yung mga pagtitiis na dapat mong gawin sa trabaho, sa career mo. At ito na yung time na binigyan mo na ng ultimatum yung job, yung career mo ngayon na, okay, kung hindi pa rin ako mapopromote or wala pa ring growth sa career na to, then I'm going to leave this job, no? So, iiwanan mo. With the King of Wands, you are very much motivated ngayon to follow your creativity, mag-explore ng ibang options sa career mo. You have the Magician. Yes, you can definitely manifest your dream job, your dream career. You're very powerful. You have a lot of skills. Ang dami mong alam. Some of you, kayo, parang jack of all trades, no? Yung tipong halos lahat kaya mong ayusin, gawin, multi-talented. Ayan. So, now you are stepping into your own power. Okay? And you are manifesting your dream job, your dream career. Let's see, ano pa. Pagdating naman, meron ding travel opportunities for you. Yung hinihintay nyo na oportunidad na makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa, parating na. Oo. Or nandyan na mismo. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo, biglang magre-resign or aalis na sa current career or job ninyo para subukan naman yung opportunity sa ibang bansa. So, sa love life naman, you have the Fool, Nine of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, yung iba, you are dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aquarius. So, meron ditong, maaring you are starting to get into a relationship like what I mentioned kanina. Pwedeng bigla ka na lang papasok sa isang relationship dahil na-realize mo na itong person na to ay marami kayong similarities. You are both adventurous and at the same time ambitious, no? Marami kayong gustong ma-achieve sa buhay ninyo and you are both hardworking, no? So I think if kung sa tingin mo this person will help you, no, mag-add ng value sa buhay mo, then why not get into this relationship, 'di ba? Pwedeng makikilala mo to sa trabaho or sa workplace mo. This person is someone na masayang kasama. Parang rin siya, adventurous. So, nagkakasundo kayo. And some of you will also break free from a situation or a relationship na wala ng growth. Oo. Yung tipong feeling mo, hindi na nag-evolve yung relationship ninyo. So, you might consider leaving that relationship. Seek out information that will help you. So, yung iba sa inyo, may research na gagawin. Gusto nyo alamin pa yung mga importanteng detalye ng mga kailangan nyong ma-accomplish para maabot nyo yung goals nyo. You should accept valid criticism. So, maaring meron ding magta-try na mag-criticize sa mga ginagawa mo. Yung mga opinion sa'yo, 'di ba? I mean, okay lang naman yung may mga opinion sila. As long as constructive criticism na hindi siya personal, no? Don't take it too personal. Too much concern with sexual matters. Okay. So, maaring meron kayong kailangang bigyan ng attention ngayon related sa sexual connection with someone, or even yung reproductive health ninyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much and bye!